The aged are not always wise. Age does not bring wisdom. You can be 90 years old and stupid. Go and find out. They are there. Go to the motor park. You see a 65-year-old man misbehaving at the motor park with young people. And large stomach, big, he has been drinking and, looking foolish. But he's 65 years old. Running around with little people. Old man. And you wonder, he has grandchildren. And the sense of dignity that should befit a man of his age is grossly missing in his life. You can't find wisdom with him. So don't think that just because you are older now,